And hello everybody. Well, guess where we are. The season has started, yeah? You can see that. Now, my wife has some kind of allergies and stuff, and she's not for the camera right now until she comes down. This Chupa, the dog, is shedding the hair, so it's all going into her face and into her eyes. Anyway, the new season is coming, and we are going to get the manure from the goats, and it should be a good manure, like a little bit mature, not the fresh one. So now we are going to see what's the quality of it, yeah? So stay tuned.
Pazi, ovdje moram kolicima, sad kad bi možda nekako ušao još malo dublje, a vidiš ovo, imam i ovo.
Radoslave, šta ti veliš?
Znači, sve će mu biti sin.
Ja velim da nam treba sazrelo.
To ti je sazrelo. Sve ti je to sazrelo i vidiš. Da ti možda pominuješ, vidi.
Čale, šta ti kažeš?
To ti je đubre fenomenalno. Ja ne znam šta ti hoćeš. Ako hoćeš mogu ti vam i od ovoga, ovo ti je jeftinije. Šta znaš što biraš?
Ajde tovari, ne zajebavaj.
Imaš kombinaciju, glavno bude što sitnije, razumiješ? Grančica ubacujem da bi imao minerale. Zdravo! Ajde, preplivaj.
Other side, baby.
Jel trebao da premestim tamo?
Ne znam da krenem tamo možda.
This is his vehicle, yeah?
Pa malo piće, zanesem, stvaranje. Ne možeš teško je sa njim, na to mi krenem za treba.
Daj peci to dođe ovom.
Here, baby, hold it. I'm recording, so...
Možeš i ovdje, daj.
This is his vehicle for the farm. So cute.
Zdravo! Čekaj da prvo, kad budem se ja malo iskrivao ću ostane pa vi malo zanesti da uvijemo tamo što tu.
I'm having such a bad allergy, so my eyes on this side is all like red, and it's burning so bad. And then the two pups in the car, their hair was everywhere on my face, like nose, throat, ear, eyes. Oh, that was like horrible. And we're gonna get the manure from here, and we need some for our backyard garden back home in Zemun. And my father-in-law is grilling some meat, barbecue, so we're gonna go and have that. We are not gonna stay long. Are we staying long, baby?
Not gonna stay long.
Okay, let's go back to the garden.
So yeah, old school people, just sitting, and this is the condition of the garden in the spring. Yeah, still gonna be, they say, a little bit of cold weather coming sporadically, day by day, but majority it's gonna be warm. And the poly house, it's nice and moist, which is good, both sides. Now what are we going to do is we're gonna dig it out, put manure, dig it out, and plant 1 or 2 cultures here. We're not gonna do it like last time. Everything is gonna be dug out, and yeah, so all is good. Our little dogs that are oh, here's a neighbor dog. Hi, neighbor dog. Yes, Lubavi. Yes, Lubavi. Yes, Lubavi. Okay. And yeah, so the reason for this gathering is the barbecue, yeah? Miss Bella. And a barbecue. This is the secret ingredient,
Zaječarsko pivo.
the beer from Zajče. It creates a taste like you cannot imagine.
Poseban ukus daje. I još primjeti ovako.
Cheers. They told me to take a picture of this. This is
Pljeskavice, ćevapi, kobasica.
Ja.
Ja?
Nema povrća.
Nema.
E,
Ima kiseli kupus. Idi u beri pa donesi. Ima kiseli kupus.
Šta će ovi ljudi iz sveta da kažu za nas? Da smo mešani živjeli?
Idi u beri pa donesi. Kiseli
Dobro.
kupus. To je zdravo.
No povrća. They say go and pick it up. They want to eat only meat, baby.
Marina paprika.
It's okay, we'll wrap with some of the leaves that we can find in the garden.
Yeah, well, they are
They
meat
hate
eaters, yeah?
veggies.
They're meat eaters.
But you know, that's the thing that really confusing because stop. They will be they eat breakfast, lunch, dinner like sausages, bacon, like all those stuff, yeah? And I've been eating vegetables my whole life and I'm the one sick.
No, you're not sick, baby. You have a condition. It's a difference.
Dutch, you wanna come to mommy? Come to mommy? Today, what happened today, Daddy? Tell me.
Everything is good, baby. Never gonna talk about it. Stuck her head, bloody. Okay. Oče, kako ide? Jeben.
Ide nekako.
A?
Ide nekako.
Kad si postao majstor roštilj? Majstor.
Kad sam postao?
Da.
Davno.
A? Nema povrće, znači kažeš.
Pa mislim, mi volimo mesinju.
Jel?
A salata će biti kiseli kupus i zelena salata po izboru. Kiseli kupus ovoj salata.
A, dobro. Znači sad kreće lepo vreme i dolazite ovdje, jel?
Da, sad dolazit ćemo češće
Yes.
i bit ćemo po duže dana.
Opa!
Više dana od jedan put.
Dotle je došlo duže.
Da.
Dobro. Dobro. Amba, are you satisfied with the barbecue?
I'm so hungry.
Yeah?
Evo Petra tvoje.
Look,
Vidimo je gotovo.
This is your meat, baby.
chicken for me.
Yeah. Sad da vidimo ovo.
Oh, that's like a beef patty, yeah? Or burger thing? Because it's so good. It tastes so good with rice. Everything tastes good with rice. Even the cevapi too.
Ćevapi, srpski ćevapi.
So this is the manure for $3, which is not a very good deal, but this is what we can get for today. Look, his car is parked there. How cute! Now I'm gonna get some from here and put it some in my poly house so that I can transplant the salad. We didn't come here planning to do any work, but we ended up doing something. Look at my hand again. I just don't know how to wear gloves. That's not my thing. I cannot work with gloves. My mother-in-law will always shout at me like, why don't you wear gloves? But it's just the village mind in me that I cannot use gloves. So we got the manure, like, I think do we have more, honey?
Well, the thing is, it's a bad deal. He told us
It is a bad deal.
He told us that she's gonna bring a big trailer and he brought small one.
Yeah.
So my
Anyway.
father is gonna call somebody else to see if they have one.
Okay. So we end up doing a lot. We clean the whole this part. Baby, you need to pluck out the eggplant. I cannot do it with my hand. So yeah, guys, we have puppies. Okay, look, full of hair. We didn't plan to work today, so you know, we're like not ready to do anything, but we ended up doing a lot of things. Now I'm gonna transplant the salad and then pick up some of the saplings of the kale and then take it home with me for my yard garden. Yeah. And good news is this year they're gonna use only 2 rows for tomatoes, so the rest they said they're just gonna put it like that. They don't want to do anything. So I'm gonna plant all the beans that my sister brought me, the seeds. I'm gonna use all of those. I'm very excited, so excited. My husband is a little bit agitated today. Agitated because, you know, when we're with the parents, they're always like have their opinion, but that's how the parents are, yeah? So it annoys him a little bit, but he fine. He fine. Everything Irie?
Yeah, baby. Everything Irie.
Okay, so these are the saplings of the kale. This kale is Siberian kale, so it's a little bit different from the kale that we know. It's very wrinkled and looks beautiful, but this one is a little bit different. And these are the salad saplings, and I'm gonna put it there. Put some manure, add it up with the ground, and we have some kale here that I planted during the winter last year. Look at that. We're gonna eat this today. They're having their lunch, and I'm going to transplant the salads now. Put some manure already, the goat manure, and yeah, I will take the saplings of the kale home for a yard garden, and the rest we will put it outside when it gets warmer. Okay. We are going to eat our lunch now. Not dinner, lunch
I'm
now.
already eating.
They're already finished their lunch, so this is what we're gonna eat. Barbecue. This is mostly jalapi and some meat. And we have definitely some veggies. Sour cabbage. Here, more. And this is mine, chicken.
Also,
Oh, some sausage. I think I'm gonna have one of those. Okay, let's see how it tastes like.
not spicy.
Of course, it's not spicy. It's full of paprika, yeah?
It's a
Grilled
good taste.
chicken.
It's a good taste, but it's not spicy. Yeah.
Now, the reason I picked the veggies is because
Dobro, dobro, Bela,
I'm
dobro.
gonna eat this way.
Dođe ovdje.
Ovo je isto salate.
Hvala, Viko.
Hvala.
I dropped it.
Sve se jede, sve se jede.
Jel volite kupus? Ovaj kupus da volite. To je to.
Mustard greens, grilled chicken,
Jel, šta je to rupičarstvo? Tako
some
jede?
chili,
To je vjerovatno, da.
some pickled paprika, and then
Odozdo da vidim.
Ne,
Jer vidiš nešto da
some garlic
ništa što nećemo reći.
and spring onion from the farm. These greens are from the farm, yeah?
Aha. Good job, baby.
It's awesome.
Dođi gore.
Very windy.
Oh, here, baby. Try this paprika with kupus.
Yeah? Is it good?
može zajedno.
This is how we did it before. You put it in a barrel. You fill it up with the
Sour cabbage.
cabbage, and you put it to sour in a barrel. And then it comes out that and inside of the paprika.
Prijatno.
Hvala.
Everything is flying. Our obsession with greens.
And her obsession with garlic.
Yeah. Because I have an understanding these days that if I eat a lot of garlic every day, I'm not gonna get corona. I just don't want to have corona anymore. and we are always exposed, you know, because I always go to the hospital 3 times in a week. This organic veggies are like just heaven. So good. And see, for example, this is the kale, yeah? I'm gonna eat this one. So sweet. Thank you, baby.
Always.
I'm gonna eat one of these too. We're gonna enjoy our lunch. And then we have more work to do. See you later. I am here outside of the farm to get this edible weed. I forgot the name. It's called some bishop something. I will find it out and I will write it down below, okay? We can eat it as a salad or as a stir-fry veggie, same like dandelion. They use this a lot in Korean cuisines. They take the roots too, and then they can make it like a fritters. So it's edible and it's very tasty, very soft. So this is, I'm gonna harvest a little bit. My in-laws working so hard with the onions. They kill all my coriander again. Bravo, Charlie. Kevo, bravo. Why he is calling Kevo to help him, honey? He wants her to move?
Yeah.
Well, she cannot. Her back is bad.
Just a little bit.
This is for us, for home. They're all compost? How about the manure? Do we have any manure?
You don't need manure with the compost.
Oh, okay.
It's
Did you take everything?
yeah, it was just what left here.
Okay. But he has more in that one, yeah?
Full, yeah.
Okay. Bubu. Šta radiš ti? Ha? Šta treba? Ajde. Ajmo kući. Ajde kući. Ajde. Gdje Čupa? Gdje Čupa? Huh? Where is Chupa? Chupa is sitting there, but you're always naughty, huh? Come on, let's go. Let's go feed Chupa. Chupa is just sitting there the whole day, relaxing. Chupa, kako si ti Chupa? You killed me in the car, yeah? You're not gonna do that anymore, right? When we go home? Yeah, boo boo? Bravo. Okay, everybody, this is like a very busy and unorganized vlog, but we're gonna end the vlog here. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Next vlog, I will definitely tell you what's going on with my health. I didn't do it the last vlog. I couldn't do it today either because it was so busy. We were working with in-laws and then we need to spend some time together, and it's almost time for the sun to set, so we better hurry from here and finish our thing in the backyard. And oh my gosh, look at my hair, poor me. We're gonna go home now. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you in our next vlog. That's my uncle from Novi Sad. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are not already did. You just hit the bell button so that you get notification every time we post a new video, so you don't miss our videos. And if you want to know about my disease, please watch our old videos, and next video I'm definitely going to explain it to you what's going on with my health and everything. And until then, bye.